them a round of applause.
Next up is Erwin, Fox, and Vespa Veladera. Next up is Dave Christoph D. Santos. Next up is Johan Hendrik E. Mayuga. Next up is Johan Kane Bartolome. Next up is Inigo Shot T. Manaba. Let's all give them a round of applause. Next up is Liam L. Vasquez.